What's up, powersports fanatics? Today, we're talking about a machine that isn't just a utility vehicle, it's a fortress on four wheels. This is the 2026 Polaris RANGER 570 Nordic Pro, and it's purpose-built for one thing: dominating every season, no matter what Mother Nature throws at you. The first thing you'll notice about the Nordic Pro edition is that it comes ready for anything, right from the factory. For 2026, Polaris has made the complete cab system standard. That's a full coverage roof, a rear panel, and full doors with crank windows. No more dealing with wind, rain, or a face full of snow. This is about staying comfortable and protected, whether you're working on the back 40 or out on a winter expedition. And check this out, it's got a powerful, factory-installed HD 3,500-pound winch with a synthetic rope and an auto-stop feature. Plowing snow, pulling out a stuck buddy, or hauling logs, this thing is ready for any tough job. Inside this beast, comfort is key. The Nordic Pro features a factory-installed in-cab heater and defrost system. Seriously, on those freezing cold days, you're going to appreciate being able to turn on the heat and keep your windshield from fogging up. You've also got new side mirrors for better visibility, and a full-body skid plate that's now standard, giving you extra protection from rocks and stumps. Underneath that rugged exterior is the proven 567 cubic centimeters ProStar engine. It delivers smooth, reliable power, with a total payload capacity of over 900 pounds and an impressive 1,500-pound towing capacity. It's the perfect blend of a compact, nimble size, just 56 inches wide, and full-size work capability. The turning radius is tight, making it a breeze to maneuver on narrow trails or around your property. The ride is remarkably smooth, thanks to a class-leading 9 inches of front suspension travel and 10 inches in the rear. Combine that with over 10 inches of ground clearance and Polaris's legendary true on-demand all-wheel drive, and you have a machine that glides over obstacles and finds traction instantly when you need it most. And for those of you who work on your lawn, the VersaTrack Turf mode is a lifesaver, unlocking the rear differential to prevent tearing up the grass. What truly makes the Ranger platform so dominant is its incredible versatility. The Nordic Pro is just the start. You can accessorize this with everything from a snow plow blade to different cargo boxes and even the ultimate all-season upgrade, the Polaris Prospector Pro track system. Throw a set of tracks on this thing, and it becomes an unstoppable force, floating over deep snow and mud with ease. The 2026 Polaris RANGER 570 Nordic Pro is a testament to Polaris's commitment to building vehicles that work as hard as you do, in any climate. With its purpose-built enclosed cab, in-cab heating, and heavy-duty winch, it's not just a side-by-side, it's a year-round partner that's ready to take on the toughest jobs and the most challenging terrains. The RANGER 570 Nordic Pro is more than capable. It's a complete, all-season solution. What do you think of this workhorse? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more off-road vehicle reviews, and hit that notification bell. We'll see you on the trail.